So hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to use your PayPal without verification. It's pretty simple and I'll explain you how to do so. So basically you can use PayPal without verification of your bank account. So there's only a few hiccups when doing so. So there's also a PayPal limit for unverified accounts. As stated here, for users without verified PayPal accounts, there are certain limitations on sending and withdrawing money. Unverified PayPal accounts, PayPal sending limit, and PayPal transfer limit. So for the PayPal sending limit, there's only a usual set of $500 per month. I repeat, that's only $500 per month in the sending limit. So in the transfer limit, you can only also get transferred of $500 per month. So there's also a PayPal daily limit and limit per day and weekly limit. So it's usually accounts that sets at $100 per day. So there's also a PayPal credit card limit. So when you link a credit card to your PayPal, you might wonder what the credit card limit will be. Credit card limit will be on the PayPal varies based on your credit card user issuer. So it depends on them and not really on PayPal. So there's also a withdrawal limit, like I said, it's $500 per month for unverified accounts. So if you have any concerns, you can just go to their website and PayPal and other things like that. So the sending limit for verified accounts is usually set to $2,000 per month. And you can also get transferred up to $10,000 per month if you are verified. So those are just the things you can do with PayPal without verification. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.